Hey guys, it's me, Jerry, Metalman Battaglia, and Liza. We're out here on the Lower East Side of Manhattan, and it is New Year's Day 2022, and we're really excited.
And a bit rainy.
Yeah. Just walking around, we can find some stuff here. We're always on the hunt to look for some classic cars. Oh, what do we have here? Let's check this out. This is new to the neighborhood.
Nice.
Got a Corvette here, guys. See what year it is.
Very nice. And what year is this?
2015 Corvette. So it's been worked on, different rims. Looks like the suspension's been lowered.
So how fast do you think this car goes?
These brake 200 miles an hour.
That's super fast. I'd love to go in a ride with this car.
200 B?
Yeah, why not?
Why do you want to go quick?
I don't know, just the excitement of it. I think that it would be really fun, and you only live once, 2022.
Yeah, you drive over 50, she starts screaming. So basically, I know these cars have a 6.2 liter, use about 450 horsepower, top speed's over 200. Just an amazing vehicle. I had one for a very, very short time. I hit some track button in there and I got loose. I punched the car, I got loose, and I was like, okay, I need to sell this one at the dealership. But it's a really nice car. I like white over the black. Don't let Liza fool you. She really likes Shelbys.
I do. I like Shelbys.
Why do you like the Shelby?
Corvettes. I like the older ones from the 50s and the 60s, but I appreciate the newer ones. I think they're really pretty.
Well, guys, there it is. 2015 Corvette. Have a happy new year, and please subscribe to our channel, and please leave some comments down below and share this video. Have a great day.
Have a great day, guys. Bye.